Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, and yeah, sorry for the clickbait title. I thought it was pretty funny. I was thinking of you know, what I can do with all the weeds and the huge grass and stuff growing here. It's way beyond like being able to mow it, and I don't like the weed whacker option because it leaves little plastic bits all over the place. And luckily, in the shed here on the property, there was this beautiful scythe, and I figured I'd give it a shot. So this is the first time I've ever tried one, and I gotta say it's a heck of a workout. It does work. This one is not too sharp, I think. It needs to be sharpened. I did a little bit of reading before I actually tried this. I kind of have the idea, I guess, of how I'm supposed to be doing it, but it's not exactly sharp enough, I think. And I haven't actually read up on how to sharpen it yet. Here in kind of like Eastern and Central Europe, I guess they use kind of a hammering technique to sharpen it, and then some kind of like, you know, taking the burr off with some kind of little tool. Whereas in the western part of Europe, they don't do that, like peening or whatever it's called. There's like a little hammer that you use to sharpen the edge. So I'm gonna have to learn about that. If anybody has good resources to share with me, I would appreciate it, specifically about how to sharpen it, and even actually technique wise, just maybe some videos. I've only read a few entries here and there. See here, I went into the dirt. That's not good. Here, let's clean that off. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, I'm pretty happy to try it anyway, and it's definitely, you know, better than trying to do this with a pair of gardening shears or something. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do some more and clear up a little bit of the yard here, and then, you know, once it's this length, I can just rake up all the grass and just use the regular mower over this. That's not a problem. So, you know, even if I don't sharpen it, as long as it stays this good, I can probably get quite a bit of the yard done, and then I can just mow this as normal. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Sorry for the clickbait title, I just thought it was funny. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.